everyone, welcome to Living It Country. I'm Holly and welcome to the spring edition of the Farmhouse Home Tour series. Today I am so excited. We are going to be touring my mom's home, and my mom lives in a country farmhouse styled home, but we're not going to give it a specific style name because she likes to call it her own. So when we walk into her home and we tour it, I want you to leave some comments down below, and I want you to tell me what kind of style names you think her home is, just for fun. I'd like to thank our sponsors over at Crates and Pallet for sponsoring this video series. Crates and Pallets' forged steel brackets are a super easy way to give your home a farmhouse look with their beautiful brackets and just easily adding a piece of wood to the top. If you guys want to see how I installed this into my home, click the card section up above and you guys can see a full tutorial on how I did so. Let's go ahead and welcome my mom here today and get a cup of coffee or a cup of warm tea like myself, and let's go ahead and tour my mom's home today. If you would like to be entered into Crates and Pallets' giveaway, they're giving away 2 crates and 4 brackets to one lucky winner that comments on all of the home tours, so make sure you check the description box below for that playlist so you can watch all the home tours.
Hi guys, my name is Esther and I'm here in Washington State. I am actually the mom of Holly from Living It Country. And we're going to be doing a tour today so you can get an idea of what my house looks like. I'm hoping you either hate it or you love it, but either way it's okay. We're just going to see what's going on in there. One thing I wanted to show to you right on my door is this little 911 sticker, and I'll explain to you a little bit more about it when we go on inside. So just one little bit of info. My house is a little plain. I like things that are a little damaged, have a little story behind them, and something that isn't perfect. So, and I don't have a lot of stuff. But hopefully you can get maybe a couple ideas of stuff you like, hate, either way it's okay. So hope I distract you, and I hope this video finds each and every one of you doing okay. So let's go on in and take a tour. Let's do this, people. Come on, let's go check it out. Alright, so welcome into my home. This is the entryway, and I do like the patriotic look. I had lots of patriotic stuff in here, but since have limited it down to just a few little things. So let's take the tour of the house. Welcome to my home. Right here in the center, you'll see the dining room table, and it's got a nice bench. We like to play 21 here, and it's a beautiful space. Got my chair that I picked up for 99 cents that I love. Here we've got the kitchen. Right here, the desk, and on the countertop I have my little stove that I use for a coffee station. I used to have a big stove just like this that I sold and made a little extra money for myself, but I still have the cute little one. It's really cute, which I enjoy. My house, I really want to be on the go. I've got people to see, places to go, so I don't have a lot of things. I have a cute little bell for emergency for my mom if she needs to call me. And I've got my Longaberger basket. I love Longaberger baskets. I've collected them, and I've also gotten some from garage sales and Goodwill. That is my retro CD player that I love. I love music. It's always playing, so it's kind of weird not having Foreigner playing in the background. Right here, I've got my matches. I love to do fires. Fire, just like Goldie Hawn says. Love to make fires. I'm kind of a pyro, so it's fun to burn. It's fun. Right here, we've got my Otis Spunfire oven on Friday night. Bake a bunch of cookies, popcorn, pizza, movie time. It's a great time to have, well, anytime's a great time to have cookies. So that's a cute little thing that I have. Above here, I've got my Coke. I got my cute thermos that was my dad's. And just some finds, you know, as you're going places, you're spending time with people, loved ones, good memories, picking some of these things up with my daughter. And above here, I've got some jars filled with some items that I can use, little tiny baskets inside those jars that I can use for centerpieces at some of the events I do at work. I work in catering, and I enjoy that. I like to buy things, as everybody should, buy it less and sell it for more, but you can enjoy it in the meantime, enjoy what you got. I don't have a lot, but I love the colors and I love my kids and my family. So that is the kitchen, and I've got my bar area here, and over here is my TV, which I saved up for a couple years to get this. My mom has some vision problems, so it was kind of a win-win. Helped her, but as well as me getting something I'd waited forever to get. So that is nice. Got my kids' wedding pictures up on the wall, and I got more Lagenberger baskets tucked in there. Keep controllers, CDs, all that. And oh, and here's my beautiful plant that is fake because apparently I kill plants. That is my thing. Everybody's got a thing. Apparently I like to burn and I like to kill plants. So there you go. There you go, people. That's what I do. Everybody's got to do something, and that's what I do. But anyways, I have that plastic plant, so that works for me. I'll do a little overview of the room here, kind of one big room down over there, and the kitchen, little desk, and then we'll go right here where we've got the fireplace. Above here on the mantle is from the 40s. My great grandpa made that and I inherited it. I love that he whittled that. They put him in the paper back in the San Jose paper years ago for that. Really cute. Anyways, that's a nice little item that I have. Over here, this little tucked in area, I kept my little hutch, just little trinkets that people have given me so that I don't forget who they are, and which is nice. Small, not bulky. There's my kids' graduation pictures. But yeah, that is the room, and I guess I'll go this direction. So back in this corner is the hallway. Again, some more pictures of my kids' graduation, their baby pictures, and then my daughter-in-law and son-in-law and their pictures, and my grandbabies there. This is the one room at this angle, so, and I'll show you a little other area here in just a second.
All right, during the kitchen tour, I forgot to show you the 911 information. So if you happen to have to call 911 and they get to your house, they will notice the sticker on your front door. They will come on in. They know then to come right to your refrigerator. They will open it up. They will plug it into your butter dish. They will take this out. Looks like this. You can get one of these at your local fire department. Inside is information that you will pre-fill, emergency contacts, phone numbers, drugs, just all the information that you possibly need for the paramedics to know what to do and possibly what not to do. So I hope this little bit of information helps you. It goes right back in your fridge, and then you're set and all good to go.
All right, so next I'm going to show you my room, which is very plain, but it's got one thing I wanted to show you in here. So we got my TV with my vintage trunk for the TV stand. All my walls are empty. I have nothing on the walls. All I have in here is a nightstand, my bed, and just this little nightstand at the end, and my fan. Who cannot sleep without a fan? They're amazing. If you have trouble sleeping, I highly suggest that. One thing I want to show you was my closet. I took the doors off my closet, and here we go. This is what it looks like now, and for me this is just amazing. So I use my Lagenberger baskets to hold items. I have, like I said, no dresser. Everything I own right here. Luggage up there, all my running gear. I've got my summer gear. I've got my work clothes, everything, my little black dress, and that's it, people. I have nothing more, nothing less. Everything I own right here, ready to go. Very simple, very basic. Might be an idea for you guys to do. Maybe you hate the idea, but if it works for you, there you go. No closet door. Okay, now we are entering the laundry room. It's pretty simple, as the signs say, simplify. Got a little bag with clothespins in it. Above here, just a bunch of mason jars, which we used for my daughter's wedding back in the day. I know those probably aren't the biggest thing going on right now, but it's nice to have them up, gives a little color up there. And just down below, I've got just trinkets from sales, things like that. And my daughter posted these really cute ones, these little knobs that this gentleman makes, really cute, that I added in here to just make it a little different. But anyways, that is the laundry room.
Thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video today, guys. I wanted to show you one last thing before you go, and it's the picture actually up on the wall there with the little red frame. So let me go grab that right back. And I think it's a really fun idea to add to your home. This is of my kids and my son, my daughter, and my son-in-law. And something you could do at your house, you could have a relative that might have a military picture, or they might have an old picture of themselves when they were young, looking all Hollywood or whatever. This is a great idea for your kids if you want to make them feel a little special. Say, hey, can I get your autograph? And they'll go, why? And anyway, so you're special. So you can put them on the wall. When people come to visit, they could see themselves on the wall and think that they are famous, a celebrity. You could add these to your collection that you have on your wall with all your other memorabilia. Speaking of memorabilia, I'm going to show you this. Yes, you're welcome, ladies. I just like to say you're welcome. Yes, that is the famous Dwight Clark from the 49ers. So you can add that picture to this or whatever you want to do. So I hope this helps you guys get an idea of something you could do at your home and make it look a little bit extra special. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video today, and you take care. And follow Holly if you want to on Instagram. If you follow me, I've got one picture. So anyways, you guys take care. Thank you so much.
A big thank you to my mom for sharing her home today. I hope you guys absolutely loved us sharing that. And a big thank you to Crates and Palette for sponsoring this video series. I hope you guys stay safe and healthy out there and have a wonderful day. Bye.